Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial video of Figma. Today we are going to create loading spinner. For that, choose ellipse from the shape panel and let's create ellipse. I am here choosing 160 width and 160 height for the ellipse. 160 width and 160 height for the ellipse. Now choose a stroke. Make sure you're choosing 30. Okay. Now we have created ellipse with stroke. Let's remove the fill as we don't need fill for this micro interaction. Now give some gradient for that ellipse. Make sure you are choosing angular gradient. Now we have chosen angular gradient. Now we are going to change this first marker or first stop color. Let's choose, you can choose any color. Let me choose blue. You can choose any color. Here I have okay, blue. Okay, so we have given first marker one color. Here I have chosen blue. Now just copy this hexa code, the color code, and paste in the second marker. Select the second marker or second stop, then paste the same color code and choose 0% opacity. Okay, now we have given gradient to the ellipse. Let's make a copy of this ellipse using command D or control D. Command plus D or control plus D. Okay, you can use option or alt key in the keyboard to paste, but I'll prefer control plus D or command plus D to copy and paste this ellipse, because we need to make copy of that ellipse 4 times. Okay, now we have created a copy of one ellipse. Then just press command D. Okay, we have got 4 ellipse here, and we are going to change the angle of each ellipse. 90°. Choose third ellipse, change to 180°. Choose fourth ellipse, change to 270°. Automatically Figma will change it into -90°. Okay, now we have changed the angle of every ellipse. So the process was, first we created one ellipse and we choose stroke and we give gradient to the stroke, and we remove the fill as we don't need the fill for this micro interaction, and we change the angle of every ellipse. Okay, now choose every ellipse, all the ellipse, and create multiple components. Don't choose create component, create multiple components. Okay, choose create multiple components. Okay, now we have created multiple components. Okay, so this is one component, this one is another component. Okay, so we have created 4 ellipse components here. Okay, now select all the components, and in the right side of this panel you can see combine as variants. In the right side panel you can see combine as variants here. If you follow my mouse pointer you can see the option combine as variants. Click combine as variants. Okay, so now we have created this into a one component, and this contains 4 variants. Okay, in previous Figma, instead of this process it was too straightforward. I don't know why the Figma changed that option. That option was too brilliant, because we don't want to do this much process. It was option. I hope those who have used Figma like long years before, they have should be like remembering option called create component set instead of combining variants. So instead of creating separate components, we can select all the ellipse and make it into a set of component. So we will get one component in our asset panel. That was the easiest process. I don't know like why they removed that option. Okay, let's get into the subject. And now we have created component. You can see in the left panel in the local asset we can see the component that we have created. Now get into the prototype. Click first ellipse connected to second ellipse. In this interaction, choose after delay, give 1 millisecond. Okay, and make sure you are choosing smart animate. Never choose instant dissolve. Always make sure you are choosing smart animate. You can give any of the curve here, but I prefer linear for the smooth micro interaction. And 300 ms millisecond, yeah, it's all set. Now give like prototype to every ellipse, same number after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate linear. Okay, okay, now never forget to connect the last ellipse with the first ellipse. That is a mistake that usually everyone do. Okay, so connect last ellipse with the first ellipse, then click after delay 1 millisecond, and everything same, smart animate linear 300 ms. Okay, so we have done that process. Now let's create a frame. Okay, I have chosen iPhone 14 just for example. Now just go to the asset panel, drag this component and place it in our frame. Make sure it is right aligned. Okay, center of the frame. Okay, and for fun I am going to here just we can say like video loading. Okay, and here I have chosen inter, and the weightage I am going to change it into semi bold and 20, typography size 20. Okay, yeah, okay, So we have done every part. Now it's all set. Let's play this prototype. See, this is how to create loading spinner. You can choose any color, any kind of color or any size. You can place it anywhere. This is a method for creating loading spinner. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment below. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.